Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've spent a lot of time learning individual AI coding skills, like generating code and debugging. But what if we could use AI to build an entire project from scratch? In this lesson, we'll start a new series where we build a simple interactive data analysis app from the ground up with the help of a powerful AI assistant. In this part, we'll use our AI to set up our project environment, install our libraries, and write the core of our app. Let's get started. Instead of manually creating folders and virtual environments, let's ask our AI to give us the exact commands we need. This is a great way to ensure we're following best practices without having to memorize every command. I'll prompt the AI to give me the setup steps for a Python project. Provide the terminal commands to create a new Python project named AI Data App and set up a virtual environment. Now we need to install our libraries. Our app will use Pandas for data manipulation and Streamlit for the user interface. We'll ask the AI for the installation commands and also have it generate a requirements txt file for us. This ensures our project is reproducible. What are the Python commands to install Pandas and Streamlit and then save the dependencies to a requirements txt file? Time to build our initial app. We'll prompt the AI to write a basic Streamlit application for us. This will give us the foundational app.py file without having to write a single line of code ourselves. We'll give it clear instructions for what we want. Using the Streamlit library, write a simple Python script named app.py that displays a title, my first data analysis app, and the text, welcome to the app. Every data app needs to load data. We'll use our AI to write a function that loads a sample CSV file using Pandas. I'll just give it the task and a sample URL, and it will generate the complete function, including a helpful decorator. Write a Python function using the Pandas library to load a data frame from a CSV file URL. The function should be named load data and include the @sc cache data decorator. Use this URL for the sample data. Use this URL. In the last part, we used AI to set up our project and install our libraries. But our app isn't doing much yet. In this lesson, we'll dive into the heart of the project: data cleaning and visualization. We'll use our AI assistant, GitHub Copilot, to help us with complex data transformations and plot our first interactive chart. By the end of this part, you'll have a working app that not only loads data, but also makes sense of it. Let's get started. Our sample dataset has a few issues we need to fix. First, the date-time column is a string, but for proper analysis, it needs to be a datetime object. Instead of manually writing this code, let's use GitHub Copilot by simply typing a descriptive comment. We'll also ask it to handle any null values. This is a common and critical data cleaning step. Write a Python function to convert a date-time column in a Pandas data frame to datetime objects and drop any rows with missing values. Next, let's create a new column for the hour of the day. This is a useful feature for our analysis. Again, we'll just write a comment and let Copilot handle the syntax. We want to extract just the hour from the date-time column we just created. Add a new column to the data frame called hour that contains the hour of the day from the date-time column. Now that our data is clean, let's create a chart. Streamlit makes this incredibly easy. We'll use a histogram to visualize the distribution of pickups by hour. Let's use Copilot one more time to help us select the right chart type and syntax. We'll write a comment explaining what we want. Using Streamlit and Pandas, create a bar chart showing the number of pickups per hour using the hour column. We've now completed our data analysis app. In our next lesson, we'll shift gears and introduce you to another powerful AI tool, Amazon Code Whisperer. We'll explore how it differs from other AI assistants and how it can supercharge your coding workflow, starting from the very first character you type. Hope to see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. We'd love to read your thoughts in the comments below. And subscribing helps us keep making more content for you.